Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, A Dash of Beauty with Kia. Today I have this kind of neutral, matte, cool tone makeup look for you guys today. And in the video I have two lip options. I always get questions on what products I use when I do wear this makeup look out. So I just decided to record it for you guys and show you all how I achieve it. This look could be everyday neutral, and you could also make it glam with like a different lip or some more highlight. Today I didn't even use blush, I just bronzed to contour. It's just really nice, really easy. So I hope you guys enjoy this makeup, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. All right, catch you in the next one. Bye. Hi. So first, taking my Fab Beauty moisturizing primer, I'm going to prime my whole face.
It doesn't make us strong, it doesn't make us weak. Tongue-tied to service like shy preteens.
My MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC50, and this is to color correct.
Tongue-tied to service like shy preteens. I could only breathe. Live to believe I'm alone.
Now that is all blended out, I am going to take my Fenty Primer as well as my Fenty Foundation and mix these two together. I'm going for a really light foundation feel and coverage today. About 2 pumps the primer, but I'll say maybe like that's about 1 pump when it's not finished. 1 pump foundation. So just to highlight the inner corners of my eye, I'm taking my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande. Highlight and contour, I'm taking my Nars Radiant Concealer in the shade Walnut. To set all the places that I've applied concealer, I'm using my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. To dust away the Mercier powder and to set the rest of my face, I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. For bronzer today, I'm using my NYX Hydra Touch Powder in the shade Caramel. Looks like that.
Wait, I gave you my heart.
contour as well as bronze just a little bit more, I'm using the same powder, but this time in the shade Sable. It's a little bit darker. I don't want to go for a crazy contour today. A little bit darker. Using the same brush. My eyes, I'm going back in with my Hydra Touch powder in the shade Caramel. So this was my bronzing shade. This is such a pretty color for a transition shade. Going into my full NYX shadow palette. These are just a bunch of random singles that I picked up. I'm going into the shade right here with a bit of that yellow. I will leave the names of these colors in the description box. With a clean fluffy blending brush, just blending all that through. Going in with this dark kind of cool browny purple shade. I'm going to put that right on the ends of my eye and bring that into my crease. Now going in with the yellow and this first crease color, I'm just taking that and blending that on the top and the crease just to soften the whole look. Okay, so going in with my NYX vinyl eyeliner in the shade Brown. Yay, did my liner on camera. So now for lashes, going in with these ones. These are my NYX Doe eyelashes. Going in with my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, I'm going to line my lips. Taking my soft matte lip cream in the shade Los Angeles.
Deliver me away from this madness. Ease my soul and heal my mind.
So on top of that, going in with my NYX Lip Plumper. Look with a gloss. Now that that's all completed, I'm going to take my Urban Decay setting spray and set my face.
Give you my heart.